Hi, Unbox Norway. Here we have a Resident Evil from France. Welcome to Raccoon City. It has Dolby Vision on the 4K disc. Sound is Dolby Atmos on both discs. Runtime is 1 hour 47 minutes. Aspect ratio 240 by 1. Let's take the wrap off and have a look. It's from Metropolitan Company. Some glue here. There we have it. Spine, we have lots of logos. There's a bit of bump. Ultra HD logo, blu-ray disc logo. Metropolitan. There's the back. Inside we have art on the discs. There's a dog on the 4K disc. And the Blu-ray disc. Umbrella Corporation. Inside art. There it is. Resident Evil, welcome to Raccoon City. If you're into physical media, collecting, Steelbooks, 4K, Blu-ray, please subscribe and like this video. I'll be back soon with more. So stay tuned. See you then. Bye.